So I decided to go over to Best Buy and check out the Samsung display. I was just really wanting to go see the color that I purchased, which is the sky blue, and I'm happy that I went with the sky blue. Someone's playing with the S26 Ultra right now, but here is the sky blue. I know it has all these stickers all over it, but it is actually a beautiful color in person, and I am so happy that I went with the sky blue. So I decided to just play with the S26 Plus for a little bit because the gentleman next to me was really digging in on the S26 Ultra. But I'll show you that one in a minute because I'm going to get into the privacy screen on that thing. So this is really nice and thin. I probably could have gone with the Plus model, but I have so many things for the Ultra. I just decided to stick with the Ultra this year and not buy all three like I've been doing in the past. So I dug into the camera here to see if it had 8K and just checked out some portrait video, see if it still had all these things. And folks, I got to say the Plus model is a game changer. I mean, it really has a lot of the features that the Ultra has, just minus a few. You'll still get great cameras. You'll still get good video. The battery life is probably going to be better on the Plus model like it has for me over the years of having a Plus model versus the Ultra. And I just think it's really well put together. So I was just kind of digging in, like I said here, man. I wanted to see exactly what the phone had to offer. The software was really smooth and everything. I'm just kind of waiting at this point for this guy to leave, and he eventually did. But here's a small one. This is black, and it's actually pretty good. It's a good size. I would also get the small one if it had a little bit more battery and a little bit more features as the Plus and the Ultra. Now let's slide over here to the Ultra. There was someone trying to grab it before me, so I kind of snuck in there and got it. So here it is, the Ultra. This is that violet color. So this thing is beautiful. I think Grant got the violet version, and this is a beautiful color. I still like the blue better in person. So the first thing I did was I went to settings, got into the display, and I started messing with the privacy to show you all the features for those of you that are waiting. And some of you who feel like this feature is really nice, I decided to go ahead and just show you all the features of the privacy right here, right now, video. Because this is going to be something that I'm covering a lot of later on. I'm just going to be using my phone and reviewing it as a regular phone. Like I said in previous videos, I'm not that impressed with this. It's a cool thing to have, but I've always had privacy tempered glass and stuff like that. So it's nothing that I'm blown away with. So if you're excited by it, I wanted to show it to you in this video. And I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking it out. If you didn't know, Best Buy has them on display, and you can literally go in there, take some hand sanitizer, because I was looking at some of the people who are touching these phones. I was like, ugh. But nonetheless, man, this is the privacy screen settings, a feature that some of you guys were really excited about. And I respectfully, I accept the fact that you're excited about it. My opinion is on it. If I turn it on, I'm just going to leave it on, or it just doesn't really matter to me too much. So I'm digging in here, messing with some more settings, and just trying to give you a quick overview of what this feature is going to be like for you when you get your phone out of the box. So are you guys going to use this feature or not? I probably will use it. I'm not even sure, but I wanted to show it to you in this video. Take care.